Hello guys, it's like 12 o'clock, 12:30 on New Year's Eve, and I just bought a firework, so I'm gonna light one off. So yeah, here, let's go downstairs. It's gonna get darker, so just prepare. No. There. Now, Dad, can you put the thing?
Alright.
That's what I'm running. I just bought one. Yeah, it's pretty dark out. No one has the lights on. It's so dark, like everyone's in bed or something. And then my house has like 1,000 lights on. No, they're not going in it. Fine.
No, I don't care. I want to.
Say hello.
I don't want to. Hi.
That was my sister. It's pitch black. Can't see anything right now. I'm sorry.
Well, yeah, no, you can. Because this flashlight's really bright, fella.
There we go. Juliet, come in. Say hi. Hey, guys. This is my sister.
Hi.
And this is my sister's friend.
Hola.
Whatever. I'm going to blow up a firework in a minute. I'll be there. Oh, cool. Oh, okay. I'll bring this outside.
Good.
I'm in one-handed mode. Foxtron. Why are you guys going in the car? Okay. But you don't get the best view like that. That was like 5 pounds. You light it, Dad. I gotta record this. Ooh, it smells like burnt ashes. Yeah. Ma, can you record, Mom? I wanna get good angles.
Yeah, you won't be able to see it.
Alright, now my mom is recording.
Run!
You don't need to run that. Make sure you get it.
Here goes.
Oh, this is a good one, Johnny.
I know, right?
Oh, God.
Woo! That was a
Yeah.
good one.
Neighbor.
Hey.
We woke up the neighbor.
So yeah, guys, that's just what I bought for the whatever it's called, New Year's Eve. See you guys later. Bye.